6666. Number of the day. This is the week you have been waiting for. It is going to be filled with great news, answered prayers, miracles, advancement, and abundance will flow like never before. Claim it, it is yours. Type 6666 if you agree. Source is saying to you today you raised your frequency, you aligned your energy with your higher self, and now positive things are manifesting all around you. The universe is calling on you to fully trust the path ahead. Embrace the uncertainty. What is about to happen in your life is far better than what you currently have imagined. Let that sink in. Your life is going to be filled with incredible journeys, friendships, and priceless memories. Move with gratitude today. Type yes to claim it, and also subscribe God's Manifesto. Thank you all.